If your computer starts recording your screen by itself, do not open the file. Last year, a user posted about a file that appeared on their desktop overnight. It was named automatically.
No abaikan.
Just a blank recording file. The timestamp matched a time when their computer was on, but they weren't using it. They assumed it was a background process, something normal. They opened it. Since then, over 60 similar cases have been reported across small forums and tech subreddits. Most involve standard systems. No malware detected. No unknown software installed. In nearly all cases, the recording begins without user interaction. The video started normally. A screen recording of their own desktop. Cursor idle. No movement. For the first 10 seconds, nothing happens. Then the cursor moves. Slowly. Not randomly. Deliberately. It opens a browser. Types into the search bar. Not a website. A sentence. You left it open. The user pauses the video. They check their browser history. Nothing. They play the recording again. This time, the cursor pauses before typing, as if waiting. First, do not assume the recording is passive. If the cursor moves without input, stop the video immediately. Do not replay it more than once. If text appears on screen, do not respond, even mentally. Never open any application shown in the recording within the next hour. If the recording shows your desktop, check the timestamp carefully. If it matches your current time, disconnect from the internet. Wait at least 10 minutes before touching your device again. If the recording includes audio, do not increase the volume. And most importantly, if the video shows actions you have not yet taken, do not follow them. In several cases, users reported that the recordings began to change. Small things at first, different cursor paths, slight delays. Then, new windows appear, files that don't exist, tabs that were never opened. In one report, the recording showed a message being typed, seconds before the user received it on their actual screen. Not predicted. Repeated. At that point, it is no longer a recording. It is not showing what happened. It is showing what will happen. And if you continue watching, you are no longer observing it. You are aligning with it. Most users delete the file. Some shut down their systems, but a few reported something else. After deleting the recording, a new one appears. Shorter, closer, and in the final frame, the cursor is already moving. If this has ever happened to you, comment REC. And if you noticed when the cursor paused, don't open anything for the next minute.